Bakit kailangan i-prioritize ang self-development? For me, dahil ang buhay natin hindi nagbabago dahil sa chance. Nagbabago ito dahil sa growth. Maraming tao ang gusto ng better life, better income, at more time freedom. Pero hindi nila nare-realize na bago magbago ang results, kailangan munang magbago ang sarili. Self-development teaches you to how to think differently, how to use opportunities instead of limitations, how to build confidence in yourself, how to learn skills that can change your future. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert agad, kailangan mo lang maging willing matuto. Ako, full-time dental assistant, mom, wife, pagod, busy, maraming responsibilities, but I made a decision to invest in learning. Unti-unti, nagbago ang mindset ko, nagbago ang confidence ko, nagbago ang direksyon ng buhay namin. Because self-development is not an expense. It is an investment in the person you are becoming. So if you're ready to grow, learn, and build a better future, come and grow or message us. We'll show you where to start. This is Jed of Jason and Jed Inspire. Build your vision, change your power, change your story.